Hello everyone, my name is Hindi English Mane. I am from SYTC from A Division. Here we are seeing the problem on design Colbert oscillator for following specification, that is given value frequency is equal to 500 Hz, VRMS is equal to 3 volt, HFE is equal to 330, HIE is equal to 4.5 K, stability factor is equal to 10, and gain of amplifier is 20. The formula for gain of amplifier is equal to HFE RC upon HIE. AV is 20, then 330 into RC upon 4.5 into 10 raised to 3. Therefore, RC is equal to 272 ohm, that is equal to 280 ohm. Then calculation for VCC. VCC is equal to 2 into voltage peak to peak, that is 2 into VRMS root 2 into 2 is equal to 16.96 volt. Then VCEQ is equal to VCC by 2. Then it is 8 volt. VRE is equal to 10% of VCC, that is 10 into 16 upon 100 is equal to 1.6 volt. Then calculation for RE. We know the formula. RE is equal to VRE upon IE. We know that IE is equal to ICQ. Therefore, VCC is equal to ICEQ RC plus VCEQ plus VRE. Then 16 is equal to ICEQ into 272 plus 8 into plus 1.6. Therefore, ICEQ is equal to 0.023 ampere. Then RE is equal to VRE is 1.6 and IE is 0.023 is equal to 70 ohm, and it is equal to 100 ohm. Then calculation for biasing resistors. We know the formula of stability factor, that is S is equal to 1 plus beta upon 1 plus beta RE upon RE plus RB. Stability factor is 10, 1 plus 330 upon 1 plus 330 into 100 upon 100 plus RB. Therefore, RB is equal to 1 kilo ohm. Then calculation for R1 and R2. Here R2 is equal to VR2 upon I2. VR2 is equal to VBE plus VRE, and I2 is equal to 10% of ICEQ. Therefore, R2 is equal to 2.3 upon 2.3 into 10 raised to 3 minus 3, that is 1 kilo ohm. Then R1 is equal to VR1 upon I1, and we know that VR1 is equal to VCC minus VR2, and I1 is equal to IB plus I2. IB is equal to ICEQ upon HFE plus I2 is equal to 0.023 upon 330 plus 2.3 into 10 raised to minus 3 is equal to 6.983 into 10 raised to minus 5 is then R1 is equal to, then the R1 is approximately equal to 5 kilo ohm. Then calculation for feedback components. Of Colpit oscillator. We know that F is equal to 1 upon 2 pi under root LC equivalent, and C equivalent is equal to C1 C2 upon C1 plus C2. For simplicity, let us consider that L is equal to 100 millihenry, then 500 is equal to 1 upon 2 pi under root 100 into 10 raised to minus 3 into C equivalent. Therefore 1 upon C equivalent is equal to 98,596. Then C equivalent is equal to 1.01 microfarad. A is greater than C2 or C1. AC1 is greater than C2. C2 is less than 20 C1. Let C2 is equal to 10 C1. Or C2 is equal to 10 C1. Then C2 is equal to 11 microfarad.